Hey everyone, it's your girl Layla. Welcome back to my channel.
No matter what they try, I'll stay by your side. It's you and
Okay guys, so I have a unboxing video today on Read Your Heart jewelry. Thank you so much, Read Your Heart, for sending me these two pieces. I'm very excited to show everyone what I got, and this isn't the first time I've worked with Read Your Heart. I've worked with them quite a few times before. I just love their jewelry and I get super excited when they contact me to collab with them. So basically they sell Moissanite jewelry, and if you haven't heard of Moissanite before, they're actually like lab created pieces, which is really cool because there's no environmental impact, there's no mining for diamonds, any of that, and you get the clarity that's almost sometimes better than an actual diamond for like half the price. So it's like a win-win-win situation with Moissanite jewelry. That's why I love Moissanite so much. Also, you definitely get to be a baddie on a budget with Moissanite jewelry because it can look like you are wearing diamonds from head to toe, but you're actually wearing Moissanite. Moissanite was actually discovered in a meteor by Henry Moissan, and I've talked about this before on my channel. I've definitely gone over the history of Moissanite before, but basically you are getting a lab created gem because, you know, meteors are not falling every day. We're not getting like actual Moissanite from a fallen meteor on a daily basis, you know? So everything is lab created and just looks amazing. So I'm gonna get right into what I got from Read Your Heart. If you guys are not already subscribed, please go ahead, click that subscribe button below. I upload 3 times a week, Sunday, Wednesday, and Friday, and if you guys want to check out any of these pieces, I will leave them linked in the description box below, as well as a coupon code that you can use on your purchase. So let's get right into it. I picked up 2 pieces from them, which looks like this. What I love about Read Your Heart is you are getting the jewelry store experience without having to go to the jewelry store. Like, you are literally getting really cool packaging, very reminiscent of Tiffany's. Like, this is classic, beautiful, beautiful packaging. They are actually really nice quality. It's like you went to the jewelry store and got these. So you're just not paying the jewelry store markup. You actually get all of this packaging as well with your purchase. So everything is really giftable. I say this in all of my Read Your Heart videos. If you want to get this for a friend for their birthday, if you want to get this for your fiance, if you are thinking about popping the question and you want a piece of jewelry that's gonna last, that is beautiful, just as beautiful as diamonds, but you don't want to be paying the high jewelry store markup. And you know, of course, a lot of us these days are more environmentally conscious. At least I know I am. And you know, mining for diamonds isn't the best thing for the environment. So I love that these are like environmentally friendly pieces as well. So you are getting little Read Your Heart bag right here for your jewelry pieces, and then you get a cleaning cloth for your jewelry. So this is even better, honestly, than getting it from the jewelry store because you're getting all of the things, right? You're getting all of the pieces. There is a jewelry guide on here about how to take care of your Moissanite jewelry. There's a little bit of history on the inside about Moissanite and how it was discovered and everything like that. And this is the most popular alternative to diamonds. Also, there is a little bit of a history on Read Your Heart on this page right here, so you guys can pause that and read that if you would like. So you do get all of the trimmings with your jewelry. Also, you do get this, which is a Moissanite certification. And this is really awesome. So you do get a authenticity card, and then you are getting a report on your Moissanite jewelry. So it basically goes over each piece that you purchase, and it goes over all of the quality control things and, you know, the clarity of the pieces that you got. So I got the round brilliant cut grade is excellent, polish is excellent, symmetry is excellent. They have a whole test on their jewelry, which is amazing. So again, very, very great gift. It's very official. Okay, let's get into the two pieces that I picked. So the first one is a ring. So it looks like this. This is how the packaging looks, and this is how the ring looks. Now, when I first started working with Read Your Heart, I did not know my ring size. I'm pretty sure I'm a size 5, and I was getting like a 6.5. So none of my jewelry fit me really in the beginning. I would have to put it on my middle finger, but now I know my proper ring size, and it's great. So this is how it comes. Definitely very protected in shipping and everything like that. Of course, you can take this out once you're giving it to the person and putting it just in the ring box itself. So let's just open this. I do like how well protected their items are in shipping. So this is the beautiful piece that I picked up. Oh, it's so pretty. Okay, so this is a flower moissanite ring, and I was drawn to this because when I picked this stuff out, it was the beginning of summer. Everything was blooming outside, all the flowers and all of that good stuff. So I just had to get this. It's so beautiful and it fits me absolutely perfectly. So I'm gonna be putting that on my ring finger there. I'll wear it for the rest of the video. Like, can we just agree this is the most beautiful, dazzling piece of jewelry ever? Like, look at how pretty that is. It actually looks so good with my nails right now. But that is the first ring. I absolutely love it, and I love how there is attention to detail on this. So not only does it have the big moissanite gems making the little flower, but it does have some gems on either side. Hopefully my camera's focusing, but I have gems over here and then gems on the other side as well. This just looks so beautiful, so classy, and it just looks really good on my finger, to be honest. So look at that, that's so pretty. I definitely recommend moissanite jewelry. Like I always say, if you're planning on proposing to your girlfriend, definitely check out Read Your Heart. Definitely check out, you know, some moissanite gems. Also, you can create your own customized ring on their site. So if you don't like any of their designs, you can actually make your own, which is awesome. And then next up, I got a necklace from them as well. And again, with the whole flower themed, with the whole, you know, summer vibes, I got a floral necklace. So I'm gonna take this out of the packaging and try it on. I love how everything is in sterling silver as well, because I'm not a fan of gold. So whenever I pick out my pieces, I am mindful to get everything in silver, and their silver just looks so beautiful and shiny. So I am gonna show this to you, hopefully without tangling the chain. I'm gonna be wearing this for the rest of the video. I think it looks really good with what I'm wearing right now. I'm wearing like a floral dress. So this is the beautiful floral piece right there. Super, super pretty. And this is as close to my birthstone as I could get. So I'm an October baby. My birthstone is opal or pink tourmaline, and this is very close to what pink tourmaline looks like. I don't know if this is pink tourmaline. I should probably like look it up at some point, but this necklace is absolutely stunning and I cannot wait to wear this. So I'm actually gonna put it on right now.
1 hour later.
Okay, that took way too long. I am not used to putting my own necklaces on with these nails. To be honest, like I find that putting on jewelry is really hard with my nails. So I usually have someone else do it, but no one else is home right now. So I did manage to finally get this on, and it is super pretty. I love the sparkle of it. It's just a gorgeous, gorgeous necklace. So that's what it looks like. It looks really, really good at night too. Like when I first opened this package, it was during the night under like lights and stuff like that in my house, and it just, everything just sparkled and looks so beautiful. So this is gonna be a really great piece for like a date night, or like just, it just reminds me of summer, you know? Both of these pieces remind me of summer. So this is another quick look at the ring. very, very beautiful. And honestly, yeah, I would wear these for date nights because, you know, they're like dazzling and shimmering and everything like that. But I honestly am the type of person that would probably wear this on a daily basis and get like lazy to take it off and put it back on and stuff. So I would wear something like this every day. So I just got to be mindful of how I take care of the jewelry. Honestly, I do really love both of these pieces. Read Your Heart just outdoes themselves every single time I work with them. I always love my jewelry pieces. So that is all for this video. I really do hope you guys subscribe if you haven't already, and definitely check out Read Your Heart Jewelry. I will leave all of their info in the description box below. So I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
I let you deeper than I let